The crypto market experienced a sharp pullback today, with the global market cap dropping around 4%, a wipeout of nearly $160 billion in value. Bitcoin fell 2.6% to 112,663. Ethereum slid 6.6% to 4,173, and major altcoins like Solana saw even steeper losses of 5 to 8%. Trading volume remains elevated at 150 to 160 billion, but sentiment has shifted to fear territory per the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, reflecting heightened volatility. This isn't a collapse, but a classic risk-off shakeout, amplified by leverage and macro pressures. I'll break down the primary drivers with supporting evidence from market data. 1. Massive liquidations triggered a cascade. Over 1.7 billion in long positions were liquidated in the last 24 hours, primarily in BTC and ETH derivatives. This forced selling as leveraged traders were wiped out, creating a self-reinforcing downward spiral. This happened because high-leverage platforms like Binance met a sudden momentum shift, flushing weak hands. Perpetual futures volume dropped 35.6%, with funding rates turning neutral, indicating overextended bulls getting squeezed. BTC tested support at $112,500 to $113,500, while ETH broke below $4,200. This liquidity grab often precedes bounces, as it clears out over-leveraged positions. 2. Post-Fed rate cut. Sell the news reaction. Markets had priced in the U.S. Federal Reserve's recent 25 basis point cut, and signals for more easing in 2025-2026, but the actual announcement led to profit-taking rather than a rally. Traders anticipated a shallower path of cuts, strengthening the USD and pressuring risk assets like crypto. 3. Whale selling. Large holders dumped BTC and alts, with one BTC whale offloading amid options expiries creating uncertainty. Token unlocks in September like Aster token migration led to early holder sell-offs adding supply pressure. 4. BTC's MACD turned bearish, failing to hold 115K resistance. It's now eyeing 112K support. ETH and SOL look weaker, with GameFi DeFi sectors down 3 to 4%. A bounce to 114K BTC could follow if liquidations ease. The long term is bullish, with institutional inflows and Q4 rally potential. Analysts eye BTC 150K plus by year-end. This feels like a healthy flush after a multi-week run-up, not cycle and panic. Please like, share, and subscribe if you got value from this video. See you next time.